quick recipe for short ribs. Very hot skillet. We're gonna seal these. We wanna get some color on these. Salt and pepper, right? And mirepoix, which is celery, onion, carrot. We're gonna throw that after we seal the short ribs. And I'm gonna add a little bit of tomato paste and a little bit of chipotle and a garlic. And we're gonna go to the herb garden and get some herbs. Oregano. We are gonna get some rosemary. We are missing some thyme. Beautiful. That's it. Now we're gonna tie this herb bouquet. We're gonna tie this, then we're gonna throw it in. You're gonna remove these. We're gonna add carrots, right? And even that garlic in there, medium to high temperature. And we're gonna let that saute. I'm gonna add a high temperature oil. We're using avocado oil right here. Our bouquet garni, or our herb bouquet. Beef broth. We're gonna open up this bottle. Beautiful. Because we're gonna need some red wine over here in the concoction. Salt. Pepper. I want to put these guys in here. Chipotle. Let the tomato cook a little. That smells gorgeous. Put the meat back in here. Bone side down. Okay, I'm gonna lower the temperature a little. There we go. Bouquet garni. And some gorgeous red wine. Cover this whole thing. And then we're gonna cover it and cook it for 2.5 hours, right? It's a vegetable rice. It really isn't rice. It has the consistency of rice, which is a little bit better tasting than the cauliflower rice, but it's made from vegetables and it's gonna taste exactly like rice. I had a lot of different vegetables in here as well to kind of give it some flavoring. I even put some ham in here. But the difference is that this whole bag has 30 grams of carbs minus 5. You subtract the fiber, so it actually has 25 grams of carbs versus for a quarter of a cup of rice has over 30 grams of. Come on over. Let's see this. Ooh, short ribs. These things look awesome. All right, I'm gonna plate them, and then we'll see how they look when we're done. Listo. This is carb restricted rice, so we can add a lot. That's probably 5 grams. Grab one of these, right there. Some of this gorgeous concentrate, which is the vegetable broth. That's in here, the vegetables. And of course the wine. I'm gonna put a little bit of parsley on the plate. And don't forget to add a little bit of salt. A low carb meal.